As the people of Oahu, Kūkaniloko connects and centers us as a people.
He mau makahiki no o ko Anakala Tamlin Chenko imi ana I ka ike kuʻuna e waiho ia ana ma kēia mau eka he ʻelima ma Kūkaniloko nei me kona mau pohaku he hoʻokahi a Nelly Kanavalu.
You're going to find out that once you begin, the history is so deep, we don't have enough time to understand.
He mana o ko Anakala Tam no ke ano e unuhi ia I ka inoa o kēia wahi I pili I ka hana koʻikoʻi I ke ia maʻaneʻi.
Kūkaniloko, ku to anchor, kani to cry out, loko the na'au or the womb. So to anchor the cry from within.
Ke hoʻopili nei no I oia I ka wāha nau me ka hoʻoikaika o nā makua hine ma ia wā eha eha. A wahi a kahiko, o Kūkaniloko no kahi hanau ia I ko ahu mawali'i e laʻa hoʻi me kakuhi hewa me kuali'i.
The backrest were for the retainers. There were 5 of them. One would sit here, locking in. A second would sit here, locking his cap. And what we understand is the firemen's carry today would lock arms across the shoulder, and then with their free hand, cup below her knee. And then she would bear down upon their shoulders. Then you have a 5th that would receive the child.
O iai koʻikoʻi a laʻa ia mau pohaku hanau o Kūkaniloko, wahi a Anakalama, loaʻa pū ke kahi mau pohaku e aʻe e manaʻo I ana he pili I ke ao kilohoku.
These serrated edges were pretty clear to demonstrate at least 18 on each side, giving you a 360-degree viewing. And what it was is for navigation. So when you put one straight edge on these 2 piko, it gives you the north-south. That from each one of these, you can sail any place you want to go. So very significant pohaku, very significant. You wouldn't know it's here if nobody told you. It's just another stone.
No ia kumu no ko Anakala kukia ana I ko hoʻolaha mau aku I kēia mau ʻŌlelo me nā kamaʻaina a malihini pū.
So for Kūkaniloko, it gives us that opportunity to connect with our ancestors. The more people we outreach, the more people that can connect,